You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Online game pronunciation. If you want to learn more names of famous video games and actual brawlers, how do you say it? Let us know in the comments. So how do you say this one? Well, in British English in the UK, the pronunciation is different from the US. Brawl Stars. That's British English pronunciation. Brawl Stars. Now, the American English, the Americans say it as Brawl Stars. Brawl Stars. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.